Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into the best ways to fund your Fidelity Crypto account. So let's dive into it. Funding your Fidelity Crypto account is simple, but follow a clear process. You first need a linked Fidelity brokerage or cash management account, which serves you as your main funding source. To add money, just transfer funds from your bank into your account, either through direct deposit, ACH transfer, or wire. So once your cash is available and settled, you can instantly move it into your Fidelity Crypto account to start buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. And keep it in mind, you can't fund your crypto account directly from your bank. Everything must go through your linked Fidelity account first. The setup keeps transfer secure and ensure your fund stays within Fidelity regulated system. So it's a quick and a trusted way to get started with crypto investing. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more short finance guide, and share how you funded your first crypto purchase on Fidelity. And that's it.